Lovelies. So it is spring in the Northern Hemisphere, and I get so excited for this time of year because it's all about color, having fun, music festivals, and just kicking it off with a little bit of life. So this wig that I'm going to be reviewing is from Eva Hair right here. I've done quite a few wig reviews for them. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here as well as the little bell so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. So let's just get into this really fun wig. And I normally don't choose wigs with bangs, although I know a lot of you have asked, since I normally don't wear bangs. But this wig was absolutely so incredibly cute. This hidden rainbow. I mean, look at that with this lime green bottom. I mean, this is so stunning. And not only stunning underneath, but this has this beautiful turquoise top right here. Just very exciting. Just like a little bit of a little peekaboo all over the place. So of course you can wear it down and not have much of a peekaboo, or of course you can wear that half up. As a lot of the examples show, very exciting. And also what's fun with this wig is there's no lace to cut. So you really just throw this girl on. So let's just look at the wig construction really quickly since there's no lace. So it's just like the full cap right here. And you know, there isn't any combs because a lot of times with shorter wigs, there won't be any combs because there's nothing really to, you know, comb in for it to, you know, get out of place. And then this does have a medium size cap, so if you require a large head friendly wig, she would work for you. And this wig also does come with 2 wig caps, so as soon as she arrives, you are ready to go. But I'll be using one of the wig caps that I got from Amazon. I got a 10 pack for $5.99. I really like these wig caps. All right, so I put my wigs on front to back. Oh my gosh, this wig is so cute. I can't handle it. All right, so let me just take my wig brush really quickly and just lightly brush her out. All right, so she did not like shed at all. I mean, there's really almost nothing to her. But yeah, this is pretty great. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to stay tuned for a hot minute. This side looks really great. This side maybe got a little smash. So I'm just going to put my flat iron on really quickly and then just kind of modify this. So I will be right back. So I am back from kind of fixing the sides a little bit. So not bad right here. And then what's actually really cool about this bang area is that, you know, you can just put it back or front depending on if you want it a little bit longer, like covering up your eyebrows, or if you do want a little shorter, you just pull it back real easy. And then also what's really cool, since the bangs definitely feel like they can kind of go each way, is that if you really wanted to do a little sweep, I feel like it's very easy to sweep the bangs in a certain way. I'm normally a sweeper in general, so this right here would I'd probably mess around with a little bit of that, or of course on this side. Since this color is such a saturated, really fun color, she is definitely a little shiny, but of course, using 2 simple products can correct that. Either dusting a little bit of baby powder or a little bit of spray from your dry shampoo will quickly kind of matte it down a little bit, but I'm really digging like a little side parting right here. What do you guys think about this? Oh my gosh, I love it. Now, I'm just gonna flip around a little bit just so you can see what the back looks like. Very well. Now let's look at all these amazing panels. Wow, look at that. So of course, if I wanted to pin this up, I'm just going to take a curl pin thing right here. Wow, look at that. That's like super easy to do. This wig is from Eva Hair right here. Definitely check them out. They have a lot of really cool wigs that I've never seen before. As you can see with this amazing hidden rainbow wig. I mean, it is just so stunningly different. I'm obsessed. And I also have a coupon code right here. Of course, all the information, links in the coupon code will be down below. So definitely check that out and leave me a comment if you would wear this wig, or if you have a festival in mind that you're gonna wear this wig to. I would love to know. can reach out to me on Instagram. That is a great way for you to send me pictures of you being as amazing and having the time of your life in your wigs and in your fabulous makeup. So thank you all so very much for watching, and remember, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. And if you feel fabulous in this hidden rainbow wig, wear it. Wear it, love it, and own it. I want to thank you, and we will see you soon.